Hello friends, welcome to this channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today we are going to learn that how to create a pivot table in MS Excel. Okay, you all know what is the definition of pivot table. Okay, what the definition of pivot table? Pivot table means a pivoted data where you can find all the details in pivoted form. Okay, it's called pivot table. Okay, great. Let's start. Suppose, for example, I am creating here some data, okay, to show you all. Suppose first column is name, second column is class, and the third column is age. It's only for example. Name. You can imagine Rohan, Sohan, Bhumi, Kushagri, Kausal, Sapan, Tapan, okay, and sorry, again Rohan, again Bhumi, again Tapan, Ranjit, Vasu. Here I have taken some name class. Suppose Rohan is standing in 8th class. Okay. Sohan is in 11th. Bhumi is in 4th. Kusagri is in 12th. Kausal is in 6th. Sapan is 7th. Tapan is 9th. Rohan is Rohan. We have already mentioned in row number 2 Rohan. Rohan is studying in 8th class. So here also we will mention 8th class. Bhumi. Also Bhumi was in row number 4. 4th. Here you need to mention 4th. Okay. Tapan. Tapan is in 9th. And Ranjit. Ranjit is in 12th. And Vasu. Vasu is in 5th. Suppose. Okay. Age. Okay. 16 year, 19 year, 6 year, 20 year, Kausal, 15 year, Sapan, 16 year, Tapan, 15 year, Rohan. Rohan was also mentioned in row number 2, 16. Bhumi. Bhumi was also in row number 5, 6. Tapan. Tapan is in 15. Okay. Ranjit. Ranjit age is 12. Vasu 8 here. Okay. Okay. Let's start. Here we have some data to create a pivot table. Okay. We have the name of the person, we have the standard, means in which standard they are studying, and their age also we have right now. Okay, we have to create a pivot table by using this available data. Okay, let's start to create a pivot table. To create any pivot table, please select the all data, put the cursor on starting and press shift control and right arrow key. Okay, again I am repeating, put the cursor on starting point and press shift control right arrow key, because we have to select the data from of right side, and again keep pushing the button shift control and down arrow key. Okay, you can see at my screen that all the data has been selected now. Okay, now you all can create the pivot table. in whatever format you want, you can create. Okay, to create pivot table, go to insert tab. Here you can you all can see it at my screen. Here is the insert option. Insert. Here you can see the pivot table. Okay, yeah, press OK. Here you can see the pivot table fields. Fields are here: name, class and age. These three fields are here. By using these three fields, you can create the pivot table as per your choice. Okay, suppose I want to create the pivot table class wise. Means in 8th class, how many students are studying and what's their age. Okay, in 9th class, in 10th class, in 5th class, in 12th class, how many students are studying and what is their age. Okay, so my base to create a pivot table, my base is class. So I will select this class and put it here in row column. Okay, again name, I will select the name and put it down to class. You can see at my screen. Let me pull this in upper side. Okay, and age. Now close. Right click, field setting, go to field setting, click on none, select the layout and print option, just click this selected tick button and click on show item tables in labels in tabular form. Okay, you have to select the tabular form button, radio button here. Okay, here you can see all the data converted into pivoted form. Okay, in 4th standard there are one student whose name is Bhumi and her age is 12. And in 5th standard there is one student Vasu and his age is 8. Like that, 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 11th, and you can also see that in 12th standard there are two students studying in 12th standard. First name is Kusagri and second one is Ranjit, and Kusagri's age is 20 and Ranjit age is 12. Okay, this function will be very helpful to all of you when you are dealing with a huge data. Okay, I took a small sample to show you all. Okay, the pivot table is very useful function in MS Excel to pivotate the huge data in pivoted form. Okay, right. I hope you all will learn from today's session, and if you like my video, then please subscribe this channel. And I also wanted to request you all that please share, comment